Well, welcome back, my crypto gang. By now you've either bought Bitcoin and you're wondering what's next, or how you can earn more crypto while holding crypto. Well, then this video is for you. We're going to go into my favorite app, BLOCKFI, in more detail, how to use it and access all those hidden features. You can also earn high interest by holding assets in BLOCKFI. You can earn up to 5 to 8% in crypto, 8.6% APY just by holding dollars without even trading at all. My name is Shannon Avery, and I'm here to help you become successful in business and in life. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe. And today we're gonna learn how to become successful with passive income through BLOCKFI. So first up, we're gonna go to BLOCKFI.com to get started with an account. Enter your name, email, create a password, enter that referral code. You'll get up to $250 in free Bitcoin when you deposit money. Okay, so now I'm logged into my account and I'm gonna show you what it looks like and how to get around on BLOCKFI. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is click on deposit. Then you are going to click USD, then click via ACH. Now, if you want to deposit over $25,000, then you're going to want to go to the bank and do a wire transfer for that. If you do a wire transfer, it takes like less than an hour. So we'll click on ACH, and I've already connected my bank account, but here, just like other apps, I think it uses Plaid, it's going to ask for your bank information to use your actual bank login. Like I have Wells Fargo, so I actually enter my Wells Fargo login to link my account. Same thing that you've done with PayPal, Venmo, any of these other apps. It's nothing shady. So I have this account connected to BLOCKFI, so I'm gonna click on that. So for this example, I'm just going to deposit, let's say $500. Review and confirm, authorize, confirm. So now it's confirming that I have deposited dollars. Now it does GUSD because it's a stable coin backed by Gemini, which is BLOCKFI's exchange. So Binance has BUSD, Coinbase uses USDC, BLOCKFI uses GUSD, which is Gemini. So in essence, it's dollars, and then you would click on trade. Then you would say buy Bitcoin here, Bitcoin, and sell Gemini. So essentially you're selling your dollars, you're buying Bitcoin. So there's my 500 Gemini USD trading from dollars to Bitcoin. And then you click buy. So sometimes it might take a couple of days for the assets to go through. Remember, crypto is immediate, but your banks are not. So it might take a couple of days for the funds to settle outside of your bank. And then once they are here and they're in BLOCKFI, then you can move crypto around very quickly within minutes and not a couple of days like a bank. If you wanted to deposit money that you're not using, and maybe you don't want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoins at this point, you can deposit money into BLOCKFI just to hold your savings account and then earn 8.6 APY on those dollars. They're not going to go anywhere. Okay, so that is one way to do this. Now, with the interest account, it's pretty cool because you can choose how that interest is paid. So you can have that interest paid in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, and Litecoin, in Chainlink, in dollars, or in a basket of all of them. I mean, what's not to love about that? To adjust how your interest is paid, you're going to want to go to your profile settings over here, okay? And then you're going to click on interest, and you can have the interest paid, as you can see here, in the same currency you deposited. So let's say you bought $10,000 of Bitcoin and you earned 8.6 APY. Well, you could get the 8.6% off your $10,000 of Bitcoin paid in dollars. Or you can have that interest paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all these others, okay? So you are going to want to look at the chart. Like if you have more than 2 Bitcoin in the account, then the interest rate drops a lot. So at that rate, if you have less than 2 Bitcoin, then that is worth it to maybe get it paid in Bitcoin, and then you're just earning passive income on Bitcoin. If you have more than 2 Bitcoin in your account, then it might make sense to look at something else, like getting it paid in Ethereum or just dollars or something like that, because the interest rate is like 2%, I think, if you have more than 2 Bitcoin. It changes over time. Obviously, they can only keep up with paying so much interest on things. So like in one account, I have it paid in Bitcoin. In one account, I have it paid in Ethereum. So it just depends on your account and what you have in there. You would just want to choose basically the highest interest rate you can get. Okay, or you can go over here and just choose USDC and then have it paid in USDC. Now, some people say it's easiest to get it paid in USDC for tax reasons. Because you'd have to essentially track, like if you were getting it paid in Bitcoin, you have to track the price that Bitcoin was when you got paid that interest. But at the end of the day, BlockFi is going to send you a 1099 and you can track what that is. You can also track your interest account as you go. So if you go to, let's go back to the home page. So if you just signed up and your total interest paid says 0, but you have some accrued interest, it can be kind of confusing. So BlockFi pays their interest once a month. So I think it's either the last day of the month or the first day of the month, but they pay it every 30 days. And so you will accrue this interest and then it won't actually get paid to your account except once a month. So it might say 0 for the first month that you've held these assets in BlockFi. And then after that, you will get your payments. And then you'll be able to see those payments as transactions. So if I go to transactions, you can see the ACH deposit I just made. You can see a referral bonus. You can see here an interest payment. Yeah, so the last of the month. One thing before we go here, under your profile, you're going to want to go to security and you're going to want to enable the 2FA. Okay, so I've already done this. This is like the same thing you do with your bank account or something like that. It's just one extra piece of security. So if you lost your phone or something like that, somebody couldn't just log in and withdraw your funds. Any app that you have, always put the 2-factor authentication on for extra security. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into BlockFi and that you feel more comfortable using the app and understanding all the features. Use my link down below to receive up to $250 in a Bitcoin bonus when you sign up and deposit money. That link is in the description. And on top of those referral bonuses, do not forget to sign up to get in line for BlockFi's first credit card. A credit card where you earn rewards, like having a credit card where you earn miles, but instead of earning miles, you earn Bitcoin. If you like these tutorials, consider subscribing as I'll be bringing you more videos like this in detail. Until then, remember to be your own boss in business and in life.